kayo?
Yes!
Well, I just want to say thank you. Ayan. Una sa lahat, syempre, thank you for spending your day with me, night with me, with everyone. Last na nagawa natin to, like last year, birth month ko ata, and we tried na makapagsama-sama tayo before the year ended, but maraming nangyari. So, I'm just happy na finally nagawa ulit natin this year, and it's just nice to welcome 2026 with you guys. So, may mga faces na ang tagal ko nang hindi nakikita, and ngayon nakita ko na, syempre, di ba? Yung iba sa inyo, galing pa sa malayo, I heard Quezon Province, may lumipad ang team from Mindanao. Daghang salamat sa inyo. I feel like marami akong gustong sabihin. Ako kasi yung type na, ito-type ko muna yun bago ko sabihin. Kaya nahihirapan ako, pero it's been a decade since we all started. Tama! It's been 10 years simula nung nagsimula tong Zefanatics. Yung iba sa inyo, 10 years ko nang kilala, 10 years ko nang nakikita. May mga asawa na to yung iba. I would like to take this time to really say thank you sa inyong lahat. Hindi ko din kasi maintindihan bakit talaga kayo nandito. Alam niyo yung feeling na minsan hindi ko kasi fully grasp. Hindi ko ma-grasp yung idea na there are people who are willing to sacrifice their time. And like just...
Ay, naiiyak na!
Ayaw ko mag-message. Hindi guys. It's the sweat. Na-amaze lang ako kasi I don't know how it feels to be in your position, but I know na sobrang grateful lang ako for each one of you. Kahit yung mga wala dito, especially yung mga wala dito na nakasama natin from the start pa lang. Thank you talaga kasi may mga times na I'm not so active. I know as a supporter, you want updates, you want yung presence syempre nung sinusuportahan niya, but sometimes I fail to give that. Kasi, again, it's still new to me. Parang for me, it's surreal na may mga tao na naghihintay kahit hindi ko sila kilala lahat. Thank you sa inyong lahat. And I hope na even dun sa short time na nagkasama tayo, kahit pa paano may nabaon kayong memory na hindi lang yung from last years or nung bata ako, but this time I really feel na we're a family na kahit di ko pa kayo lahat kilala personally, na may conversations or moments talaga. I hope you see each other as a family, not just co-supporter or friend lang, but iba kasi yung friends sa family. Whenever you see each other, there's just like a joy. You are there for the same thing, parang gano'n. And thank you sobra sa love and support nyo. Pagpunta nyo sa All Out Sundays, sa mga events, contents na you create. I watch it, almost all of them, kasi masaya lang makita kung ano yung POV nyo. So I hope na hindi kayo mapagod just to do that. And also, I want to take this time, more than anything else, to encourage you all. Aside from this, to really succeed in life. I'm not just here as an artist na you support, but I want to be a friend to all of you. Ngayon lang kasi tayo nagkasama, so ngayon ko lang masasabi sa bawat isa sa inyo na, you know, yung with everything that's been happening sa mundo, sometimes it's so easy to give up. Sometimes it's so easy to give up on your dreams, on what you're praying for. Basta yung mga gusto natin sa buhay. I'm here to tell you, giving up is never the option, but just waiting for the right time, keeping that hope in your heart na someday, one day, it's gonna be answered, but at the same time, it may look different. I just feel like maybe some of you, meron kayong mga believing for natin dun sa take na yun. Really believe in that. Pray about it if you believe in prayers, and I would suggest you try. Also, I hope na katulad nung nasa t-shirt natin, let your light shine. That's not just for me, but for you guys. Talaga na when you wear that shirt, it's not just a t-shirt. That message is something na I want you guys to remember in your hearts na you all have the light in you. Whenever you go to places, you bring something na only you have. Just by smiling at someone or just being kind, just showing up, that's enough to change the world. Wow, changing the world. I mean, siguro baka iniisip nyo na masyado namang malalim yung sinasabi ko. I've never talked about this before. Feeling ko lang na nandun ako sa point ng life. And as someone turning another year older, I just wanna say this na ito yung mga natututunan ko sa buhay ko. At sa mga taong nasa paligid ko. Na really have joy in your heart. And kung ano naman yung ginagawa nyo, work yung personal work nyo, just do it with love. I hope na even sa mga songs na I sing, sa mga performances na I do on TV, sa labas, na you don't just see it as a yun lang, plainly, but as yun nga, parang a testimony and a proof. Dreams do come true. Prayers get answered. When you don't give up, you will really experience joy and hope. It's just gonna grow. You're gonna keep growing. Whatever you do it with love. So, hindi ko na alam sasabihin ko kasi I hope you know what's in my heart and it's really gratefulness ko para sa inyong lahat. You inspire me to keep going and to dream more. I know I'm not just here sa industry for just myself and my dreams. Katulad ng song, yung pangarap ko, pangarap niyo din, yung pangarap niyo, pangarap ko din. And I hope na I'm able to inspire you all and encourage even in the smallest things na you see on social media, kahit di tayo magkakasama palagi. Thank you! Parang yung letter mo sa mga dati mong thank you for everything. And masaya ka. But really, sana okay kayong lahat. Kapag uwi natin, this is something na sana meron kayong mabaon aside from the memories. Ayun lang guys, sana hindi ako nag-struggle masyado. I love you all. Really. Hindi ko lang to sinasabi, but mahal ko kayong lahat. And here's to more great things this 2026. For now, kung ano man yung binibigay na blessings ni Lord sa atin, let's be grateful, let's enjoy it, and let's make the most out of it. When you do that, God will give you more when He sees na you are contented with what He gives you. So, yun lang. And I thank you.